Good morning, my name's Julie from So Unique, and I will pop all the links down below where you can find me on social media. I'm most active on Instagram and I have an Etsy shop, so that keeps me busy. And welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas. Well, it's Monday and I've not got a huge amount planned today. I just need to tidy the kitchen up really, a bit of housework. I'm going to have a cup of tea in a minute, and I'd like to sit down. For about an hour, so I can have about half an hour knitting and half an hour of reading my book, because the Lilac Cottage Christmas books turn out to be quite good. Yes, it is a love story, but it's a Christmas love story, and I'm only on page 60 and I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, I just want to sit down and read some more now I can. I need to make some bread today and I need to make a cake. We haven't got anything in the cake tin, it's empty. It's been empty for days. So I think I ought to make a cake. So Victorian sandwich I think it'll be today. But I'm just going to have a nice cup of tea now and then get on with my day, because the Mondays seem to go pretty fast, especially as I'm on the school run today. So I've obviously only got sort of a short amount of time at home. What else? I don't know what else I'm going to fit in today. Once my little helper's gone home, I'll probably be in my sewing room, I think. We'll see, depends. Because it's sunny today and it's quite cold out there and it's quite windy as well. So by the time this evening comes, who knows, I might decide to settle down in front of the telly. Mind you, I have got some hand sewing to do. I need to get that cowl started. It's all cut out, ready to stitch. So I probably will make a start on that today. Seems quite strange this morning because it's so quiet. Kevin's gone back to work today and it's quite strange not having him wrapped under my feet. But yeah, I think he'll be tired by the time he gets in tonight, because he's had a fortnight of doing practically nothing. So yeah, we shall see what happens when he comes home. I can see it'll be having his tea and he'll be nodding off to sleep. But I must admit, it is nice. I do like to have a bit of quiet time there. I do like to be on my own. Not a lot, but I do like that little bit of quiet time I've got. Well, that's the bread mixture all ready to go in the machine. And this is the recipe I'm using from my bread machine. So it's an egg enriched white bread. Right, I'm going to open my advent calendars now. I knew yesterday I was a day out, but I was a date out as well. So I'm opening today 8 and 9, and day 7 as well on the candles. Now this one smells really nice, of the Yankee Candle, and I think this one is snowflake cookie. It just smells really nice. It smells delicious, that. And the next one is Candlelight Cabin, and that looks like it's got sort of a pink and grey in it. The colouring is very nice. It's not very strong scented though, that one, but what scent's there is nice. Now this one is Pomegranate Gin Fizz. Nice red one. That's quite strong, that's nice. So I'm all up to date now on the candles. Day 8, my yarn advent that was organised by Lay Family Yarn from Nikki is this lovely sort of off-white, sort of green and sort of tealy blue. That's nice. And from Rose's Moments, there's 2 wool sewing needles with bent ends, which will be very useful. So they'll be going in my sewing box, well, my yarn sewing box. And then today's advent from Rose's Moments is this lovely yellow one. It goes from a very, very pale yellow, almost cream, up to a sort of an orangey, sort of a dark sort of, oh, it's sort of orange with bits of flecks in it of brown. That looks really nice. And from Nikki, a lovely one that's all shades of blue and pinks. So that's really nice. It's got some sparkle in it. I like a bit of sparkle. And my teas, yesterday's I think was the 3 licorice one. Now I like licorice. Whether I'm going to like it in tea form, I don't know, but I'm willing to try. And today's is lemongrass and ginger. No, I don't like ginger very much, but you know, I'll give it a try. You never know. And with the advent swap from Nikki, we've got some gifts to open as well, and there's one for Christmas Day. Now, as my basket is sat under the tree branches have caught the tissue paper. So I thought instead of sort of keeping everything to Christmas Day, I'd open this one package. And look at the paper. It's got robins on, isn't that cute? So excuse the noise because I'm going to open this one up. Oh, I say, this looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying to be quiet here. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, it is a gorgeous project bag and it's got robins on and it's in greys, and there's a lovely stitch marker on the side that I'm presuming Nikki makes herself. That is absolutely stunning. I think that's tatting. Don't know if it's picking it up at a minute. That's better. You can just see that, but that is gorgeous. It's got grey cording and a nice cream inside. So I'm going to put all my yarns of Nikki in this bag, and this is going to be sort of my Christmas Eve cast on, I think, and I've decided to do the cowl. So once I can find my pattern, I will share. But yes, I'm going to put all my yarns in there now. This is beautifully made, and she's stitched her name on the loopy lane, which is brilliant. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to fill it up with yarn. Well, the cake's out of the oven. Yet again, another disaster. The mixture said it would fill 2 sort of 8-inch tins, which that's the size mine are. And I will flip you around and show you what's happened. This will be the thinnest cake ever. I must remember next time to do 2 mixtures. I mean, I don't know if you can see. It's like cooking a biscuit. Oh dear. Victoria Sponge Mark II. Let's hope this one turns out okay. Well, I'm just going to do some tea tonight now. I'm going to cook something for Kevin. Jake's had it. Dale will sort herself out in a bit. But I don't really know what I fancy tonight. So earlier on today I baked some plums and I used coconut sugar, and it tastes really nice. So I've decided to have some yogurt, coconut yogurt, and baked plums and some granola. I don't know if you can see that. So I thought that'd make a nice change. Just fancy some fruit. So I'll let you know how it tastes. And I just thought I would share another bauble with you. This is a fabric one this time, and it's a polystyrene egg, and it's like triangles. Triangles? Yeah, triangles that have been folded. So, that's Charlie. I'll be back in a minute. He's a monkey. He wants food. He's sat at the food cupboard. And if he then goes out after he's eaten a bit, he won't come back in for hours. So he's not having anything. Anyhow, yeah. And I've decorated it with glittery, let's see if you can, glittery ivy leaves, some holly, oh dear me, I don't know, those air fresheners are so noisy. Some holly berries, and that's that side. And then I've just folded up some gold ribbon and it's all pinned in. So I'm really pleased with that. And the nice thing about it, even though it's a big decoration, it's not very heavy because it's all polystyrene. So I'm really pleased with that one. Charlie. Well, Victoria Sponge Mark II. It looks like it's turned out okay. It's not risen up as much this time, but having said that, it still looks okay. And it's got its dusting of icing sugar, and it's got a lemony butter icing inside with some gorgeous strawberry jam. Anyway, I think I'm going to call it a day now, and I would just like to say thank you for joining me today, and welcome to any new subscribers. It's lovely having you here, and I hope you enjoy watching the vlogs, and I will see you all again tomorrow for day 10 of Vlogmas. See you then. Bye.